Welcome. Have you heard of Maria Elisabeth Vogel? At a time when painting was considered inappropriate for women alongside their domestic duties, she managed to establish herself as a German painter and gain recognition in artistic circles. This was made possible by her origins in a wealthy Hamburg merchant family and the early encouragement she received at home. Let's take a closer look at her life. She was born in Hamburg in 1746, the daughter of a wealthy merchant and wine broker named Timmermann. She grew up in a home that loved art and music and was portrayed at the age of 11 by Johann Heinrich Tischbein, who later also painted a family portrait. After the early loss of her mother, she married the wine merchant Johann Abraham de Boor at the age of 20, with whom she had 4 children. While her husband's business increasingly failed, new opportunities opened up for her. She traveled to Kassel in 1777 to study painting with Johann Heinrich Tischbein the Elder, and together with Amalie Appel, née Tischbein, became one of the first 4 women to be accepted into the newly founded Art Academy in 1780. She then returned to Hamburg with her diploma, made a name for herself there as a portrait and miniature painter, cultivated close artistic friendships, and pursued her artistic career. From 1789, she lived separately from her husband, who probably suffered from alcohol addiction, before marrying the family's longtime friend, the merchant Friedrich Gerhard Vogel. 2 years later, at the age of 55, she died in Hamburg in 1810 at the age of 63 and bequeathed her works to her only son. Let's take a closer look at her painting style and motifs. Her painting style is rich in detail, finely crafted, and characterized by technical precision, especially in miniature art. Her motifs ranged from biblical scenes and portraits to mythological representations. Many of her works are considered lost or are not documented. Among those that have been preserved are a life-size portrait of the poet Friedrich Gottlieb Klopstock and a red chalk drawing of Minerva, which she inserted into an art collector's autograph book between entries by Goethe, Tischbein, and Klopstock. It is no longer possible to say exactly how many works she created. As a woman, she was not fully recognized as an artist for a long time, despite her talent. Perhaps more of her works will be rediscovered in the future. We hope you enjoyed this insight into the life and work of Maria Elisabeth Vogel. If so, subscribe to our channel for more exciting art stories. And if you have any further information about her life and work, please write it in the comments.